Okay, guys, welcome back. We have a problem in a garage. We have 1.8 Nissan Tiida. I think this should be 2006 model. Now, what's wrong with this very car here is that one of the mechanic decided he want to change the spark plugs, and he lose out the manifold. So while he was losing out the manifold, something terrible happened. They forgot to unplug the battery terminal. So when they forgot to unplug the battery terminal, this very one here touched the body. I wonder how it really happens. It just touched the body here and it sparked. I don't know if there was some sort of a linkage between here and here that make this spark. And instantly, after when they are done checking the spark plug, they try to crank this car and it won't bring spark. There is fuel coming, but it will not bring spark. They have changed the camshaft position sensor. The car cranks good, but it doesn't bring any power to the ignition sparks. So I have been very busy all this while, so I decided I want to take a look at it today and see exactly what's wrong with it. And now, if you are the kind of person who have this Nissan, you gotta be very careful, because when these cars are having a problem, as you can see on the cluster right now, there is no any key light flashing, right? What you're just seeing right there is PS, maybe BS, I don't know. So, but there is no spark. So everything seems pretty much good. So I want to go ahead and take you through the diagnostic procedures and show you what you need to look out for and what could possibly cause this problem. So here, the sun is really heavy. I want to get to a place, and this is more subtle for my own adaptation. So I want to go ahead and so it's connected. I'll light this down a little bit. So want to go here first. Want to go to Nissan. I don't know which year it is, so I want to do a automatic VIN recognition. Okay, so I want to do automatic detection. I want to see, read the VIN. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. It crashed my software and disconnected the Bluetooth. You can see right there. So I want to go ahead and find another way to connect to it and check the system. So here my software is reinitializing. So I don't know exactly what the heck really going on. Now my Bluetooth is reconnected back. Normally I would run away from this kind of car, but I want to go ahead and show you how to do some of this kind of stuff when you come across it. And I'll go ahead and check it again. This time I don't want to go ahead and ring the VIN. I'm going to follow the second procedure. And I don't mean manual. I'm going to go through single system diagnosis and wait for it. Okay, now it's communicating. Now I want to go ahead and check a few places and see exactly where the problem is coming from, because definitely the problem is coming from somewhere. I want to check the engine control module and see if it's communicating. See that real quick. It's taking quite a long time, which is normally not supposed to, but I'm still waiting 50%. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I've made a video concerning Nissan. I've put a Nissan security before, so I want to see what's going to happen on this one here. I've done a security solve without going through the entire process. So here I want to take you step by step. Now if you feel that I'm talking too much, just get lost out of my channel, right? If I don't talk, you complain. If I talk, you complain. So just get lost out of my channel. Okay, here we go. So it took almost entirely more than a minute in order to be able to communicate with the engine control module. Now go back. Let's check the transmission control module and see how long it's going to take to read that too. I'm going to go through some of these modules and see exactly where the problem is coming from. This is a crank no start situation, no spark. I'm probably sure there's no going to be injector pause. Let's still wait for it. Seems like it's communicating. We'll check that. We check the ABS. We check the mirror. We check the intelligent key. We check the body control module and see exactly where the problem is coming from. Okay, here we go. So the transmission control module just failed. Right? Can you see that? I've seen this kind of problem before, and I actually do recommend a solution to it, which worked out. Now you see, the transmission control module is fried with it. With just that very problem that happened right there. Now let's go to the body control module and see what happens. That's communicating and coming in hot. It's coming in hot. Wait for it. That's one of those good things about Bluetooth. Wow, that's good. The body control module just responded and it's working. The body control module is working fine. However, within the body control module, you can see something very interesting here. We have another body control module inside the body control module. We have the multiplex and we have the immobilizer unit. So I want to go ahead and check some other module before we come back here. We're going to come back here and I'm going to tell you the reason why. Let's go over. So that's the body control module, which has a body control module. So we go to anti-brake lock system, ABS. I'm going to tell you the reason why we are going there. We have just discovered one of the problem, and we are still on it. So wait for it to communicate with the ABS control module. The ABS control module, guys, is a whole lot. It has the tendency of crippling the car entire network system. But since the network seems pretty much fine, the system are communicating. So that's okay, voila. So the ABS is in good condition, so want to go back, but it's often one of the problems. Now let's check the intelligent key system. Want to go through the intelligent key system and see exactly if that's where the problem is coming from. But the key is not smashed. He showed me the key previously, and I know it's not smashed. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. So the key has a problem. The intelligent key has a problem.
How we see?
Now the module definitely sees the intelligent key. If the intelligent key is in good condition, there shouldn't be anywhere where this car is not gonna start, right? Just a moment. Okay, so in this situation here, a lot of people are going to be combing different places looking for crankshaft position sensor, changing after crankshaft position sensor, and camshaft position sensor, just like this very guy here who happened to make this very mess here. Now you see the intelligent key is not working. The control module is the one that is bad, not the key itself. So we've identified two problems. Now for the key not to work, then there is another guy that is not gonna work, and that should be the nut, the immobilizer system. So let's go ahead and click on it. There is no way it's gonna communicate. It's definitely fried. We've seen it, we've seen a problem. So after this last one here, I'm gonna go back to the body control module. Now what did you see, guys? It didn't communicate. It didn't communicate. So let's go back to the body control module, and I will tell you one reason why. I told you I'm going to tell you guys. Now the body control module is housing another body control module, and also the body control module is incorporated with the anti-theft system. So it's communicating because that is not the only module that it has, as it's supposed to fry with it also. So if we go to the, let's check this other guy here. If we go to this other immobilizer here and try to actuate it, let's see what's gonna happen. Theft indicator. You see, the theft indicator is off. You see, the theft indicator is fucking off. Else it should be showing the key on the dashboard, but it's off. So let me turn it on and see what's gonna happen. Now it's on. Let's go to the car and see if it is showing right now, and see if the anti-theft system is on. It should be showing. Okay, here we go, guys. That's it right there. Okay, that's interesting. Now let's go back. Okay, now you guys have just seen exactly what happened. So from here I've just turned it on, so I can go back. Let me go back a little bit and want to check it again. Now it's gone back off. So I want to go and do some little thing, check the live stream data and see what happens. Okay, it's telling me that the ignition switch is on, which is actually true. So, but here, the main body, anti-theft system is having problem. Let's check this body control module and read code. It said no any error code. Well, that's unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. So here, I want to go through, let's go through the engine electronics management. That's what you call your ECU or ECM. So let's go through the engine electronics management. We read it partially the other time just to show that it communicates, and now we want to go to it on the second phase. Now after this, I will tell you exactly what you're going to do to be able to solve this problem, and after that you should be good to go. Most times it might be two, and sometimes it might be just one. So after this, I'm gonna put a code and check how much this very part costs. Then that's where we're gonna take it up from. Definitely on this very one where we're gonna be replacing just two parts, and after the two parts we reprogram it. I don't know if I'm gonna be the one to do the reprogramming, but if I'm gonna be the one to do the reprogramming, well, the only way to find out is to stick to my channel. But I'm not gonna ask you to. You have your freedom to go wherever I wanna go. Still waiting for it. Remember, it took time the other time, so it's still gonna take time this time. Oh my gosh. Initially when I was called upon for this very job, I thought it's actually a Kia or Hyundai. What the fuck? That's an environmental pollution right there. Okay, it's communicating. Let's wait. So let's go inside it there, then we'll read the error code this time. Okay, here we go. So the immobilizer key change. So P16 14. So that's exactly what the problem is. So now, what is the solution for this very problem here? The solution for this very problem here is that you're gonna be replacing this nut, right? Not the anti-theft system. You're gonna be replacing it. Then you're also gonna be replacing the transmission control module. When those two is replaced, then you reprogram them. Then it will start recognizing the key, and the car should fire up and start. So guys, I hope you find this very interesting to solve your problem. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.